we made it to Leavenworth. So it's the Fall Leaf Festival today, and they have a parade. So we paid $20 to park all day in a church parking lot right in the middle of town. So, well worth it. So the lady said they closed the road at 11:30 for the parade. Highway 2. But we are looking for the river trail now. Wow, all the people. Parade must come down this road too. Oh, it crosses the highway, it comes down this way. Alright, so I just adjusted the focal point on this camera. I somehow had moved it down to the bottom. And I wonder if that was why it was exposing funny in the different lighting conditions. Hopefully it's more normal now. I always felt like it had changed. I put it back in the middle of the screen. Oh, what is that place? Oh, J5 Coffee looked really neat. That's the, I think that's the Oktoberfest Hall, if I remember right. Or no, it's a mall entrance. We found the Waterfront Park entrance, so looks like we gotta walk down this road. There's actually a parking lot down there, which I did not realize. Wow, I like the plants coming off the patio. Off of the railing. I think they're real. Yikes, bear activity in this area. So I'm not seeing a map of the trail system. There is something over there. I might have to look on our phone. Google Maps should have the trails. This is gonna be neat. But this is the free parking lot. I imagine people came here for the parade and they will not move these cars. And they have porta potties, which my wife said are really nice. Well, we are on the Wenatchee River. So in the springtime, fall, winter, when it's raging, we would be underwater here probably. Yeah, nice cabin over there. So there's a sign on the other side that says danger, exit now if you're on the river. I'm not sure if there's a major rapids down there or what, or a dam. There might be a dam. And there's a parking lot over there. I don't know how you get to it, but this is looking west. Yeah, this is really neat. And we're basically right by downtown Leavenworth, this park. So neat. And there's no smoke. Wow. And dogs playing in the water. So I only brought one battery, so I'll have to make this last. So we found this nice bench-lined part of the path. I wish I would have got another battery. I think I'm at 92%, which wouldn't be bad. Just in the picture, it looks less than that. So that looks like another way to get off of this path. Wow, look at that lodge. How cool is that? Sit outside in those nice comfy chairs. That is fancy. Jeez. Oh, we're down at the river again. Another bridge we're gonna cross. That's the bank we had to come down. All right, those are the coolest little houses by the river in front of us. So they're trying to catch that bear in the area. See what this sign says. Wow, so we just came out of this area. They just put this up, danger. Area closed due to bear activity, stay out. We were just in there. We saw them drive by with the bear catch thing, and then the guy walked by afterwards with his whole vest and guns and everything. So they must have the bear pinned down in that area, is my guess. I'm glad we made it through. One of the reasons we came out here to walk on this trail. Marsh down there. All right, so I think we're getting close to the golf course, but here's the river again. This doesn't look like the golf. I don't think we are by the golf course yet. This is a nice trail. It would be fun to, probably be fun to snowshoe on if it was snowing. It'd be very festive being next to town. I don't know if I'd bother at cross country. No, it'd be fun for both probably. Problem is I think they want to charge $20 per person is what it was. So that's $40 for us. So this pond is for only 15 years and younger could fish in it. I don't see any fish in it. I'm hoping the golf course is neat when we walk through it. So we are right there. Oh, there's a giant parking lot. The Enchantment Parkway. That's where you park in the winter if you snowshoe or cross-country ski, I think. We came around the corner and bam, we get that view. I think that's the start of the icicle drainage area where the road goes up and there's all the trails. It's basically it'd be to the south of Highway 2. This would be fun to walk down here when it's snowing, like before it gets really deep. Then you go up to the restaurants and eat. The leaves would be incredible too if they were all changing. I mean, all these trees are deciduous trees. Can't believe they haven't even started yet, hardly. It's almost October. And they're having the Fall Leaf Festival right now. You can hear the sirens from the parade. I hear some drums too. Oh, and there's the golf course coming up. Look at this awesome softball field. And the houses and the mountains around it. Pretty cool. So field number 1 is called Shag Coffin. They have a skate park over there. There's one skateboarder and a biker. I like the sound of skateboard wheels. Oh, and there's a pedestrian trail going off that way. I don't know where it goes. around the fields. They have nice bathrooms here.
That felt good.
So I was looking down on the skate park, bike park. Pretty neat. And of course the awesome background. So we could have parked here for free, I think. I figured out. No one's here. And I doubt they're checking how long you park here. But there's the another skate park. I wonder if that's a bike park, the first one. All right, we made it to the highway. We're walking to the sleigh ride area. There's so many cool things in Leavenworth. We've never been down to this end of town. Oh, there's a grill right there, fresh grill. We want sausage. Best burgers in town over there though. Oh, that would be fun actually, but you don't want burgers. We could sit outside there, picnic tables. Here's the Icicle Village Resort. I just love those planters on the balconies. So they have a spa here. Relax, rejuvenate, and renew. You only get to pick one though. And a tasting room. I had no idea Leavenworth had a putt-putt course. Looks pretty cool. Blue dyed water coming up. So here's the sled ride. And we can get some video across the street. You don't go very fast, it looks like. It does look pretty neat. All right, here's a view from the farther away. Yeah, they do not go that fast. But that is Highway 2 coming into town from the west. And the road is closed till like 2 p.m. We have found the Fall Leaf Festival Parade. Another hour of this, I think. Every marching band in the middle of Washington is here. Oh, I thought there was a barbecue here. It's just a pig on a sign. Boy, am I disappointed. Alright, there's no way this could be copyrighted band music. So here's a little chip and putt golf course that's really cool. You don't see too many of these. Got a waterfall. Oh, and the pirates. And another band coming. That's the lighthouse. Train is over. Old fire truck.
Housekeeping,